Welcome, everyone. Today, we are not going to talk about English the way you have always heard it, through rules, textbooks, and endless explanations that sound good in theory but fail the moment you open your mouth to speak. Today is about transformation, because somewhere deep inside, you already know more English than you think you do. You have watched videos, memorized vocabulary, listened to conversations, maybe even understood movies without subtitles. Yet when a real moment arrives, a meeting, an introduction, a simple conversation, something strange happens. Your heartbeat rises, your mind starts racing, your lips hesitate, and suddenly the words refuse to come out. It feels like your brain has shut the door on everything you learned. Let me tell you something clearly, this is not your failure. This is not a sign that you are bad at English. It is the result of being taught the wrong way for years. Most learners are trained to recognize English, not to produce it. You were told that fluency lives in grammar books, vocabulary lists, and silent listening. But real spoken English does not live in your memory, it lives in movement. It lives in the coordination between your brain and your mouth, in the rhythm of your breath, and the confidence behind your sound. And the truth nobody emphasizes enough is this: speaking is a physical skill as much as it is a mental one. Just like you cannot build strength by only reading about exercise, you cannot build fluency by only understanding English. Your mouth must learn the patterns, your tongue must learn the speed, your jaw must become comfortable shaping unfamiliar sounds. Until that happens, hesitation will always sit between your thoughts and your voice. Think about how effortlessly you speak your native language. You don't search for every word. You don't mentally translate sentences. You don't panic about pronunciation. The sounds flow because your muscles have repeated them thousands of times since childhood. Fluency was not something you studied, it was something your body absorbed through constant use. Now compare that to English. Many learners treat it like an academic subject instead of a trainable skill. They collect knowledge but avoid expression. They wait to feel ready, but readiness is a myth in language learning. No one ever feels fully prepared the first time they speak confidently. They become confident by speaking before they feel perfect. The moment you accept that fluency grows through imperfect action, everything changes. Instead of chasing flawless sentences, you begin building responsiveness. Instead of fearing mistakes, you start using them as feedback. Instead of measuring progress by how much you know, you measure it by how naturally you can express a thought without freezing. Here is a perspective shift that can free you immediately. English is not a test you pass, it is a tool you use, and tools become powerful only when they are handled frequently. Many learners unknowingly trap themselves in what experts call the input comfort zone. They listen, read, and understand activities that feel productive but require no vulnerability. Speaking, on the other hand, demands visibility. It exposes uncertainty. That exposure is uncomfortable, so the brain searches for excuses. I need more vocabulary, my grammar isn't strong enough, I'll start speaking after one more course. Months pass, sometimes years, and the starting line keeps moving forward. But fluency belongs to those who step into discomfort early. The goal is not to eliminate nervousness. Even advanced speakers feel it in unfamiliar situations. The goal is to train your system to function despite it. When your mouth has practiced enough patterns, it continues speaking even while your brain is slightly anxious. That is what automaticity looks like. Let's address another silent barrier: overthinking. Many learners try to construct the perfect sentence before allowing themselves to speak. By the time they finish analyzing tense, structure, and word choice, the conversation has already moved on. Natural speech does not wait for perfection, it rewards momentum. Fluent speakers are not flawless processors, they are